Ujor Kapatisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in Hnlc College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Sembut menterang bak kejelau bak Prestone pensang ulah kentu yakinu kibrio kibayo Pdiang ya ka Shithi Dawa Pisa na kesengking atyar kabala syak ken bean ka Neutral National Liberation Council baki day berwan syakmat ban Pyntip syak sarkar ban Ujor dak Ejahar. Kani ka jingkentu jong sembut menterang bak kalong hadian bakawai ka Shithi Dawa Pisa jong keseng Hnlc kala sapriang ha kerensan social media ha kini kendiat sengi. Haga jinga krem bikalap patai kubur haga nyautri ujemang azak pun rio ulo ang ruba ka sarkar kan ajinga da yaki ba syak dawa ban aila ru iki brio bakin khai lai lut klam da syak pentun.
Well, I would like to request the citizens of the state, don't be scared. We are there. But in case if you don't share with us such information, again we'll have problem. I would request all of them, kindly don't be scared. Be it Hnlc or be it a group of thieves or be it any group of criminals. Please don't be scared. We are there and we are firm. We will deal with them very, very firmly from now on.
So another question that is really doing the round, but we are not getting a concrete reply, is Dr. Mukul Sangma joining the fold?
That I am not aware. Being the president, state president, I'm not aware right now. So since I'm not aware, I think you, I don't know from where will you ask again this question. But in my level, I'm not aware about it.
Doing extortion note through WhatsApp group. So
Well, I saw, yeah, of course, recently also we discussed about this. My only humble request to all those concerned who receive such messages, please don't hesitate to come quietly, file FIR or inform us, even informally. We are there to track it out. And we are here to make sure that everybody are safe, everybody are doing business peacefully. So therefore, any such kind of messages, if they receive, I would request all of them kindly send it immediately to the police station or the police outpost or even to the district headquarter of the police and the state headquarter. Well, yeah, that is different issue. What I'm saying, because see, you don't know. Maybe they must have received 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. They kept quiet. They did not share with us. They did not inform to us till it came out in the public. So yeah, for so motto is different issue. But what I'm saying is those concerned stakeholder, in case if they receive such messages, I would request all of them, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate. Bring it to the notice of the government and action will be taken accordingly.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.